Monologue. There was a pile of coal next to the steam generator. Acetylene was used in early carbide lamps for headlamps. As a result of improved technology, headlamp designs evolved. The railroad crossed the country from coast to coast, including the Atlantic Ocean. The wind would blow out the oil lamp on the locomotive. Longer braking distances were required for freight trains. Calcium was used in carbide lamps for headlamps. Early headlamps were designed to cast light on the tracks ahead. Headlamps were common equipment on all trains. The headlamp used a curved reflector to maximize light projection. The curved reflector was a delicate part of the headlamp. A dependable headlamp ensured safe operations on the railway. The museum displayed old headlamp models from the 19th century. Early headlamps had several drawbacks in terms of reliability. The new headlamp design was more efficient in lighting the tracks. The locomotive was equipped with modern headlamp technology. The engineer could extinguish the headlamp before sunrise. Headlamp standards were set by federal law. Freight trains transported goods across the country. Steam was generated by burning coal in the firebox. Headlamps were used to illuminate the tracks during night journeys. Portable headlamps were in demand among railway workers. The invention of electric headlamps marked a significant innovation in railway safety. The headlamp emitted an intense beam of light. The steam generator had an iron grate for fuel combustion. The locomotive's headlamp was like a limelight on the tracks. The locomotive pulled the freight train across the country. Trains were a major mode of transportation in the 19th century. Pine knots were used as fuel for early steam generators. Portable headlamps were essential for railway workers at night. Engineers positioned the headlamp on the locomotive's front. The train journey was bumpy due to rough tracks. The locomotive was built to withstand rugged terrain. The locomotive's steam generator powered the wheels. Safety regulations were stringent for railway operations. Don't take for granted the importance of a reliable headlamp. The headlamp could throw light up to 100 meters ahead. Designing early headlamps was a tricky business due to technology limitations. Early headlamps were vulnerable to damage from debris on the tracks. Headlamps were used to warn of approaching trains.